Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you seeing me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Hey guys, I'm going to do a detox on my hair, the bentonite hair clay mask. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. And if you haven't told, we're jumping right into this video. So this is my first bentonite hair clay mask since I've experienced all my COVID shedding. I think I'm going to start calling it post-COVID shedding. So I knew that I needed to do a really good detox, making sure that my scalp was thoroughly clean, making sure that I'm trying to bring the pH balance to my hair back right and make it accurate, I guess you can say. But I'm just really pulling out all the stops with this routine or this wash day that I'm going to be doing. This is going to be like a 3-part or a 4-part step. So my first step was actually rinsing out my hair. If you guys watched the video when I was in Atlanta and had all of the hair in my hand, and then I showed you guys the wash and go that I decided to do for my hair, which had the herbal ball and the flaxseed gel. That was the products that I used for my hair. Hopefully I can link it down below. But I had that product in my hair, and I knew that I needed to get all of that product off of my hair for this bentonite clay mask to actually work and be able to penetrate my strands properly and to make my curls pop and to try to help my hair stop shedding. My hair actually by this point was not shedding any longer, with this being my first wash after all the hair fall. My hair has not been coming out in clumps or anything since that wash, but this is my first bentonite hair clay mask, just doing all the good things that my hair needs. I'm going down through the entire extra moisture hydration method, whatever. It's from doing the bentonite clay to doing a deep conditioner mask to doing a thorough cleanse, using a clarifying shampoo. I am doing all of those things to my hair, and also still using DIY methods to make sure that my hair stop shedding or falling out. So you guys can see how much more flatter my hair is from all the hair loss. You guys can see some of the short pieces from my postpartum shedding. So when I'm separating my hair and kind of looking at my scalp, I'm still assessing, trying to make sure that I don't have any bald spots in my head. And I've also had my husband looking at my hair, at my scalp, to make sure that there's just no bald spots in my head. So I am going to leave this bentonite hair clay mask on my hair for about an hour or so, just to make sure that it's getting all of the toxins and stuff out of my hair, doing what the bentonite hair clay mask does. I can't remember all the benefits right now, but it's great stuff. You guys have seen me do a bentonite hair clay mask so many times on my channel, and if you have not tried it yet, you're sleeping on it. This routine, if you need your curls back, if you feel like you've messed up your hair with the blow dryer, if you didn't damage it too much, or else if a product just won't come off of your hair, or you feel like you just need a really deep cleaning treatment, this is a natural way to clean your hair. It makes your hair so soft after you rinse it out and apply a deep conditioner mask. But I like my mask to be a little bit more runny because of the thickness of my hair. Even though my hair has thinned out, I still like my hair to be my mixture to be a little bit thinner for my thickness of my hair. So yeah, you guys, this is just the first stage of me clarifying my hair, and I'm going to get off of here because you guys are probably hearing my son right now. So I will talk to you guys later, and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next videos. I will show you what my hair looked like rinsed out.